Our modular frames are great for making rectangles of almost any size, but the Glassola Tools jigsaw-style ends makes them compatible with our large layout frames as well. Combining these kits opens up many new possibilities for amazing stained glass pieces. For example, here we're going to join a 12-inch circle frame with our modular rectangle kit. We'll use a 10-inch piece at the bottom to make the frame 12 inches across. We'll use these pieces on the side, and then we'll add the 2 segments of the circle at the top. And here you can see we've made a large arch window, which is a classic stained glass window shape. Now let's take the straight edge off the bottom, and we'll add the other 2 segments of the 12-inch circle. Here you can see we have an oversized pill or oblong shape. There are many ways to combine the Glassola Tools kits to make exactly the frame you need. Look through our extensive catalog and see which kits are right for you.